Hello, my student. In this video, we are going to verify district and district identity. Cosecant of pi over 2 minus x is secant x. So the first step we are going to do is that we are going to identify the side that look the most complicated. So in this case, we will begin with our left-hand side. So cosecant of pi over 2 minus x. So that will be our given. Next step, we are going to use the reciprocal identity. So for the cosecant, we can go ahead and write at 1 over sine of pi over 2 minus x. Now next, we are going to use the differences for sine. So I'm going to make a quick note right here. We know sine of A minus B will equal sine A cosine B minus cosine A sine B. So in this case, our angle A will be pi over 2. Our angle B will be x. So that will give us sine pi over 2 times cosine x minus cosine pi over 2 sine x. Now next we are going to simplify. So in this case, since we all know that sine pi over 2 is 1 and cosine pi over 2 is 0. So we are going to substitute sine pi over 2 for 1 and cosine pi over 2 for 0. So I'm going to go ahead and write the rest of them. So 1 over 1 times cosine x minus 0 times sine x. So now we are going to multiply. So may I just extend the paper a little bit longer? Okay, so now we are going to multiply first before we subtract. So I'll make a quick note right here. We're going to multiply. So 0 times sine will be 0. So in this case, we just left with 1 times cosine. Cosine should be our denominator, just cosine. Now we all know that by using the reciprocal, so we will have 1 over cosine, that will be equal secant x. And that's exactly what we have on our right hand side. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.